Hello, my name is Dinesh Kumar Saravanan and my metric ID is 152771. The database application that our group was working on is Canteen Management Database System, and now I'll try to run this application. This is the welcome page of our database application system.
A very good day. My name is Sindhuja Jaykumar, metric number 152818, and the system we developed is Delish Canteen Management System. And the module that is assigned to me is Canteen installs. The- Within my module, there is 5 entities, which include one bridge entity, namely menu ingredient listing. So in my first entity, which is stall listing, we have 8 stalls here, and we can add additional values by clicking the create button here and putting all the values needed here. And then we can create for the stall listing. Same goes for the canteen listing, which have 2 canteens, and all the values are written here, and additional values or data can be created by clicking the create button. Thirdly is our menu item listing, which have more than 80 menus in our canteen, including both canteens, and additional items can be created by clicking the create button. Fourthly is our ingredients listing, which have more than 150 ingredients, and we can create additional ingredients by clicking the create button. And lastly is our bridge entity, which comes with menu item ID from menu item listing and ingredient ID from ingredients listing. And there is around 600 data in this particular table, and we can add additional values by clicking the create button here. That is all for my module Canteen installs. Thank you.
And the module that was assigned to me is Stocks module. There are 5 entities in total in the Stocks module, and I've released reports for all these 5 entities. The reports are storeroom list, supplier list, stocks list, shelf list, and finally storeroom stocks list. I've also added data in the report, and to add additional data you'll have to click create button. Once you click the create button, it will bring you to a form page and you'll have to add additional details in this part. After finishing adding the details, you'll have to click this create button, and once you click the create button, the data that you want to add will be added to the report. You'll have to do the same thing for all the reports in order to add data. Thank you.
Hi doctor, my name is Untitled Chapter. My matrix number is 154831. This is my staff employee module. So as we can see, there are like around 20 staffs. Every staff's details can be viewed by pressing any of the staffs. So let's try creating a new staff. Okay, so here we have staff number. Currently we have 20 staffs, and I actually tried to increment those numbers using JavaScript, but unfortunately it didn't work. I'm not sure why it didn't work, but so now I have to type it manually. I will give a name, Bill Gates, and then we can give him a title, which is assistant manager, and then the job ID is for assistant manager is ASAM006. Then we put him in the canteen ID 1, canteen ID C1001. So let's create it. So it shows like row is created. As we go down here, we'll find information regarding him, Bill Gates, and then we have a main phone number, emails, and stuffs. And then next, in canteen, we assigned him into canteen C1001, so we can actually see him in the canteens. Bill Gates, that's his information here. And then as we come here, we can like assign work records for him. This section we can assign some work records, and then we can also like add more like a new job. Let's say like um let's give a title as sauce chef, and then description will be prepare prepares sauce foods. So we can find it here. Sauce chef prepares sauce for foods, and then job title we can like assign it like sauce chef, right? So we can put like sauce chef SC 011, and then create it. So it will be automatically created. It's job position ID. So let's say we want to create a new person, new staff. We can find the new job around here. You can see the SC011. It's here, and then title is sauce chef. Also have here. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kavindran and I have worked on Module 4. So now I will walk you through the forms and report that have been created in my module. So first of all, we have the customer report page where you can view the customer information, top up records and order records made by a particular customer. Then we have the customer management page. This is where you can view the records of each customer and use the form to add a new customer to the Canteen database. Then we have the top up management page where you can view the records of top up that has been made previously and use the form to add a new top up to a particular customer. Then we have the orders page. This is where each customer is given a distinct order number when they purchase food or beverages from the canteen. So the form is used to generate a distinct order number for a customer. Then we have the order item management page. This is where you can view the food items that have been purchased by a customer under a distinct order number. So the form is used to add food items to a particular order.